Welcome to Insia, a self learning business analytics platform built for enterprises to provide simple and intuitive access to intelligent insights. With Insia, professionals from shipping and logistics industry can now use search to find insights on carriers, custom orders, routes, freight prices, and delivery delays by simply typing in natural language. Moreover, INSEA delivers relevant tailored insights proactively so that you are always future ready. In this demo, we are a freight forwarder brand such as DHL, UPS, and we want to understand how our shipments are performing. Upon logging in, we get to see a list of actionable insights proactively and automatically created for the user. All these insights are personalized for each specific business user, so feedback loop and role-based access control. Here we are seeing that HandyMax carrier type has been the biggest contributor in late delivery. So first we want to see whether this is an aberration or a trend. We go to the search bar and type late deliveries by carrier type by week. You find that HandyMax carrier type has been continuously contributing to late deliveries. Now we want to see which carrier and pickup city is causing this. So we type in HandyMax by carrier name by pickup city. We see that Evergreen has contributed to highest delays across all pickup cities, whereas Costco is only delivering late for Dubai. It could be interesting to know why this is happening. While INSEA recommends the best chart option, it provides more than 30 different visualization options so that user has the ability to view data according to their preference. All standard export options are included as well. The NCI AI engine logically recommends the next best cut and filters for data based on previous search history across the organization. Analyzing this particular case further, we can do a shipper's cut for the Y and Costco combination, where we see maximum delay is for manufacturer 22. We can now add any of these charts to the current dashboard or create a new one as and when it is required. Like here we are added to the freight rate analysis. Now with INSEA, designing dashboard is like child's play, as the user can rearrange, they can resize, they can add comments or share insights with a click of a button. Now say we want to know how orders are faring across different items, and we see that this particular product has maximum orders. So here we see that order is very high for this product. So we can do drill down and we can drill to any level. So we are not stuck with any predefined drill path, but even this takes time. Wouldn't it be great if the platform can do all the heavy lifting on its own? So instead of trying to figure out on our own, we can ask INSEA AI Engine i360 to create an automatic report. And just like that, in seconds, INSEA has created a detailed report with time series analysis, outlier identification, and insights in natural language. You can also provide feedback to INSEA on each and every insight so that the platform can learn and improve to give better and more personalized insights with time. So, using the power of INSEA, the user can directly ask questions and conduct their own analysis without requiring any prior technical knowledge. Moreover, you can get all the intelligent insights on your mobile phone and can always be on top of your business anywhere, anytime. That's the power of INSEA Insight for All.